video, and today I have something really interesting. And firstly, let me just tell you guys are seeing me without makeup, not for the first time, but today I'm going to talk about skincare, which is really important. So I have here with me is this Garnier Vitamin C Booster Serum, and I'm going to be talking about this amazing product which I've been using it for a few days now. So I'm going to be talking about how the product works, how to use it as well on your skin, and what are the benefits of it. It has yuzu lemon in it, and it gives you 30 times boosting serum, so it gives you that vitamin C benefit of 30 times more. So as you guys know, like, we use a lot of lemons, we use a lot of vitamin C in our bodies itself, and then I think it's really important to use it on the face as well. So what vitamin C does is that it is an antioxidant, and what it does is that it enhances the melanin production into your skin, and it will leave your skin with an even tone and protects from the whole radical UV rays exposure, and it will protect you from that as well. So it breaks down the dark spots and pigmentations that you guys have already, specifically like I do. It's going to break down those productions, those dark spots, or acne spots, so you guys will have an even tone and even skin glow to your face. So yes, and plus this also gives a really nice instant boosting glow to the skin, and because I have been using it, I can tell you it absorbs so beautifully into the skin. You don't have to wait for it to dry and for the whole fan thing to go. No, it dries on so quickly. It dries instantly. It gives you that instant glow and instant healthy looking skin, which is really good. Specifically if you are going to wear makeup, I think this is going to be something which you would use it before as a part of your skincare. As you guys can see, this is what the product looks like, and I'm just going to show you guys. So it's not really thick formula. It looks like it is really thick, but then the product is really lightweight. It is lightweight, it is non-oily, and it absorbs into your skin really fast. I'll show you guys how to use the product. So let's get started. So in order to we need to first cleanse our face. So I'm going to be using the Garnier Micellar water, and this is really good for sensitive skin, as it gives your skin an even base to the skin. Even if you have a little bit of a dirt and grime, anything that's on your face that's sitting, you don't know, it will clean everything out for you. Cotton pad, just like few drops of it, and this gives you a really nice even tone to the skin as well. So I'm just going to be cleansing my face first with the micellar water. So even if you can see that there are some dirts and grimes that was on my face, which I didn't realize, I just washed my face. So I'm going to show you guys how I used my Garnier Light Serum, and so that you guys are able to understand how well this product works on my skin. So we're just going to take few drops, and since it is in a dropper form, it's really easy to layer it up on your skin and just blend it out really nicely, rather than having those pump and everything. I think this is really convenient. Not dragging the product, I'm just going to be applying it evenly, and it has a really smooth texture, and it smells so fresh. And you want to take it down your neck as well, because your neck is a crucial part of your skin as well, so don't forget your neck. It has absorbed into my skin. It gives that really nice dewy texture to the skin. You see how instant my skin has brightened up, and it gives you that dewy look to the skin, and it has actually started to moisturize your skin deep within. So I think I am absolutely in love with this product, because I've been using it for a few days now, and I absolutely love it. So talking about the price point of the product, it reaches for 449 rupees, and it is exclusively available on Flipkart for you guys. I'll have it in the link in the description box below, so you guys should go and check it out, because this is really good. And you guys know, since I have really sensitive and irritated skin, I severely know if the product works for me or not for after first or second use itself. But I think this product is doing such good for my skin. My skin has actually, you know, never looked so beautiful and radiant. I love using it. Best way to use it is 2 times a day. You can use it in the morning once you wash your face and before going to sleep at night. I think these are the 2 ways that you can actually use it and utilize the serum. And yes, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you go and check this product out. This is such a beautiful product. And yes, so I will see you guys on my next video. Until then, stay beautiful, stay confident. Bye.